See here, it says there's clip magnet 4 times, but I only see 2. There's
Two.
one
and 2,
one,
and it's
2.
really powerful. Look.
Yeah, it's
Look,
really powerful.
It's like,
it's really
wow,
strong.
Really strong.
Yeah. But there's only 4 there.
Bang! Silicone case. Look, 1, 2.
Oh,
This
there
is
it is.
I knew
There
it.
you go.
Yeah.
See, I needed Heidi. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So there's there we got it. Oh, thanks, Haniban. So there's the
Yeah.
Lark Mark M.
Yeah.
What's that? Lark
So you get the
M2
4.
necklace.
You got this. You got this 4.
So
you got the clip
so there's
like
the
that
clip
2.
magnet 4
You
times.
got this one and this one. And yeah, and this and the warranty, and you got everything, babe.
Okay, I think I've got everything. Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Okay, so I'm gonna record it from the very left here. Okay, and I'm gonna do it again. So this is what's inside the box. TX times 2, camera version RX1, SBC plug RX1. That's the lightning plug, camera version charging case, TX windscreen. There's 2. This one is the Lark M2 necklace silicone case. There's 2. So make sure to check the magnets, because here there's 4 magnets in here, and 2 of those magnets were attached here. There's 2 back clips. This one is the 3.5 mm TRS to 3.5 mm TRS cable, BA to USB-C cable, and you have the TX stickers, quick guide and packing list card. That's the quick guide. That's the warranty card, drawing bag, and they have a little compliance card here too. Okay, this is the charging case. It's pretty cool if you look at it. See, that's the charging case. But the thing is, I got the charging case for the camera. There's a separate charging case for mobile. See that there? It even has a fluffy thing, so it just clips there. But the thing I find it hard to put the mic inside that fluffy thing. But once, I guess it just takes practice to put it on. Is this what I think it is? Hopefully. Okay, let's see. I ordered an iPhone microphone, an iPhone wireless microphone. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what's inside of it. And also with Amazon Prime, we ordered it yesterday and came today. So this is the Hollyland Lark M2. All right, let's see. Let's open it up. I like the box. So hopefully the one inside of it is good too. And then I'm curious. I'm curious if there's a big difference between the regular iPhone mic and this one here. And maybe I'm gonna ask Heidi to help me with the test. We're probably gonna test it outside. So it comes with a manual. I think that's a manual. Packing list. Yeah, it's a packing list, and there's this card. We're here for you. Let's get in touch. They have stickers, and there's the instruction manual. That's this one here. I think this is the packing list. Packing list, compliance and information. So that's garbage. Ooh, this actually looks nice. I think this is the case. Yeah, it looks fancy. Oh yeah, it is the case. So what comes with it? It's this one here. This is probably the receiver. So there's a camera version. Maybe that's a camera version. Charging case. So we have the charging case. So what is this one here? Anyway, oh, it's already on. So we got the sticker. We got a quick guide and packing list card, warranty card, drawstring bag. Where's the drawstring bag? What's this one here? Oh, this is the USB-C plug. And this one is the lightning. This is the one for the iPhone. And I think this is for the camera version RX1. And then this is the TX2. There's 2 of them. So let's put those back in there. What else is in the box? Oh, cool. Okay, we don't need that. That's the silica. So this is the drawstring bag. Oh, there's some stuff in the drawstring bag too. Lark M2 necklace. Cool. So that's the necklace. Oh, I thought this was an extra one. I guess when you get the combo, you get this one too. Puffy. Okay, so let's lay them out. So, okay, let's put this here. Okay, so we have the windscreen there, the camera version charge case there, lightning plug here, the plug here, camera version RX1 there. Oh, what else? Oh, I have two of them. Okay, so let's put this here. There's two of them there. And then we have the USB-A to USB-C cable. Okay, I think that's for the camera. Oh, okay, USB-A to USB-C cable here. And then we also have this 3.5 mmTRS to 3.5 mmTRS cable camera. So we have the back clip. Oh, cool, it has a back clip too. Back clip. So there's two of them. So we have clip magnet for Lark M2 necklace silicone case. Oh, what was that? What is this thing? I'm not sure what this is. So you have the TX sticker, quick guide packing list. Where's the quick guide packing list? Oh yeah, so that's the quick guide. The warranty card, drawstring bag. So it says here there's clip magnet times 4. Clip magnet. That's the clip magnet times 4. Am I missing something? Aniban?
Yes.
I need you here. I'm looking for something here. There's supposed to be a clip magnet times 4. This one's the back clip. Yeah, this is the back clip. Here's the drawstring. Okay, I'm laying everything out here. So here we have the TX windscreen times 2.
Okay.
Camera version charging case. So this one
is the
here.
charging case.
Lightning plug RX1.
Okay.
Is that one? B, C plug RX.
This
times
one.
This one's the camera version RX.
Mhm.
And what is this one? I think it's this one here. Okay, maybe I'll put them here. Oh, there's. Oh, I see. I see. Maybe. Oh, what's that? Oh, I think I know what it is. So maybe it's like this. So, oops. So 2 of this, like that.
Okay.
Okay. And then the necklace.
Yeah. 1, 2, but 1,
Wait.
2.
What? This one I'm not sure what this is. Where are we now? We're at the necklace. No.
Yeah.
Right? So clip magnet 4. This is the part that I cannot find. Clip magnet.
But 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it like that?
No, this is part of the necklace.
Can I see the box?
So it says clip magnet. So this is the clip.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah.
Why? This is for.
That one, if you're putting that here,
Oh.
like this,
Oh, you can even.
so you could cover it or.
Okay, or leave it like. Can I have the box?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is really empty now.
Yeah, and this one's empty.
And the other box? Okay.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
Okay.
So that's the one that I'm not sure about. The clip magnet. It says clip magnet 4. So maybe unless. Oh, how many?
Oh, someone is trying to call me.
Oh, unless that's part of this one here. Okay, so if this is the case, I'm not sure if this is how it works, but anyway, that one there, there's 2 magnets there, and there's 2 magnets in the clip too, and there's back clips. There's 2 back clips, but that one I'm not sure about this one. So let me know in the comments if there's only 2 of this one or 4. So there's 2 necklaces. Oh yeah, there's 2 necklaces. All right, I think that's it. And then we're gonna give it a try later on.